Welcome to this video. We are going to be unboxing the D5 4K camera. This camera is made in China. I'm going to show you everything in the box, so stay tuned as we unbox this camera together. Honestly, I'm not really impressed with this camera. It's just there. You can't use it for anything apart from just shooting random pictures. The quality is low, and I feel like this camera cannot shoot any professional video, or you can't use it for any professional content like that. It's just there. So if you want to just have fun with the camera, you can get it, but in my opinion, this is just a toy. The positive here is that this camera is not really that expensive. It's below $100. So you can give it a try without breaking the bank. But I bet your phone camera is better than this. Let me know what you think via the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.